I'm N. Dastagir Reddy and I'm excited to introduce you to our project EasyWay, Your Luggage, Our Journey. Traveling should be all about experiences, not the hassle of carrying heavy bags. We noticed a common problem that tourists, students, and business travelers often struggle with luggage in exploring a city. Traditional cloakrooms are limited and inconvenient. Our solution is like a smart on-demand luggage transfer services that pick up your bags from one location and delivers them wherever you need them in the city. Using aerial logistics, IoT tracking, and a secure mobile or web platform, easily makes urban travel truly hands-free. We have partnered with local hotels and to storage spots to build a reliable networks that both efficient and scalable. Whether you are sightseeing, attending a business meeting, or navigating a new city, we have got your luggage covered. This is the website that we have developed for our project EasyWay. Here you can see how it works. The process starts from drop off your luggage and you can track your luggage and you can pick up your luggage at the destination which you have given. This highlights the features of our project and this is the pricing. Now just click like book now. The booking process we have three different phases. In first phase we have to enter our pickup location, delivery location and date and time. Here for example I entered Egmore as a pickup location, Central as a delivery location and I choose date as a random. Next we'll enter to the second phase. Here we specify the type of the luggage. We categorize the luggage according to its weight. So I'll add some weight in random. And the last phase is like booking summary. Here you can cross check your booking details. After checking your details, just click confirm booking. Then your booking has submitted successfully. After submitting your booking, you can go physically to our clock rooms and can drop off your luggage. And in return also you can pick up your luggage at the destination which you have given. Thank you.